This piece is going to be the half-round piece, which is letter M. Half-round piece is pretty much half of the full round, although it is slightly shorter as well. So instead of recreating it from scratch, we're actually going to use the full round piece that we made and just cut away the parts we don't want to create the half round. So if we look at it, the half round is cut halfway through a window on each side, and the height of it is 1.5 inches. We got about a half of an inch from the bottom of the window to the bottom of the piece. So from our full round piece, the first thing I need is a work plane that I can use to draw a sketch on for where I want to cut it apart. Now the origin planes do not match up between the windows, or halfway through the window, so I'm going to create a work plane. The one that I can use is 3 points, and if I choose the top of a window on this side and the top of the opposite window on the other side, and then I use the center point, that will create a nice work plane for me that goes through the whole thing. So now I can create a sketch on that work plane. Since I'm through the part, I can't actually see my sketch. So I'm going to go to View and Slice Graphics. That'll allow me to see where my work plane is halfway through the sketch. Now I want to create a rectangle. The rectangle is going to be the width 1.5 inches, but then I want to set the height to be 1.5 as well. So set both of them here. And I want to make sure it's locked in place left to right here. And then I want a dimension from the bottom line of 1/2 inch. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not correct. I want a dimension from the bottom of the window of 1/2 inch. So from here to the bottom of the window, it's going to be 1/2 inch. Got to get rid of this one first. Now I can finish this sketch. And now I will use an extrude on that sketch. The extrude I'm going to use this time is the third type, the intersect extrude. And I'm going to go all, and that is going to then extrude. I'll go the front direction. That's going to bring that rectangle out, but instead of removing or adding to what was there, it's going to say, well, wherever both of the extrusions would end up, whatever material is in both places, that's the final result. I press OK. I now have my finished half piece because that's what's left. I can hide that extrusion. Excuse me, I can hide the work plane, and that's the piece.